back to my channel. Ate, do you miss me?
No.
Hi guys, so I got it inspired today because I'm watching a cleaning video and I got inspired to also clean my house while I looking out for my daughter and my son. Gusto niyo ba bantayan si Sab?
Sam?
Ikaw? Di ba uso yun, yung babantayan ka? Sa date. Anyways, so, first, let's open our windows. The curtains over there are open. We will open the one here.
I'll go video you.
Kasi sabi ng matatanda, kailangan daw bukas ang bintana kapag umaga para naman ang grass ay pumasok.
Mommy, I look
So guys,
strong.
we're gonna do a cleaning video. Okay. So, first, let's wash your dishes kasi kakakain lang namin ni Sab ng breakfast. So, dahil day off ko ngayon, I am in charge of washing the dishes. Kasi, that's life eh.
Yeah. Isn't she a good mom?
I'm not.
It depends. It depends.
Okay, guys. So, panoorin niyo ako hugas ng plato. Okay, this is gonna be a good content. Yung mga nanay dyan ay also sipagin din na maglinis ng bahay nila, okay? So guys, wala na tayong sabon kasi hindi pa tayo nakakabili. But anyway, bumubula pa yun. Wala lang.
Wala na po ba?
I'm not sure.
Ayun. Kaya pa yan.
So guys, meron pa pala tayong konti. Kaya pa yan. Tiwala lang.
Kaya mo yan. Give up lang.
Tuturoan ko kayo ng hack para dumami yung sabon. Okay?
Mommy, it's so hot.
First, kuha ka ng lalagyan. Then, put some water. And then, we're gonna use this. There you go. It's almost finished. Put that here. Then, pabulayin nyo lang guys. Look, marami na tayong sabon. Okay. So, huwag na lang ikot. So guys, ang next naman nating lilinisan ay ang aming basement na ginawang play area ni Sam kasi maingay siya dito pag nasa sala siya. Talon siya ng talon, takbo siya ng takbo. Like, hi guys! So, we're gonna clean our basement and this lady right here will help me.
No.
Yes. Let's go!
No.
I'm doing my laundry right over here. Mamaya itutupi ko yan pag sinipag ako. Hey guys, so update kapag napanood niyo tong video na to na hindi niyo maintindihan kung paano ang paglilinis ginagawa namin, it's because Zam was like keep messing our video. Like he wants to video his own thing. So you will see the after this.
Bye! Come on, hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it. And then you take a photo. Take a video of mommy. It's a video of mommy. And then you screw here. Then you take a video of mommy. I'll go. Go take videos. Guys, can you see how kalat he is? Super kalat. Mommy, update.
Hi guys, so we clean all the balls. So we're gonna make the tabi.
Yeah, we packed it up.
Because hindi naman siya na-enjoy masyado ni Sally. And if he wants balls, then he can grab some. But not all. Because it's so messy and it's not giving. So,
It kind of take up too much space. And
this for what are you doing?
unfortunately, mom ran out of storage on her phone. Vacuuming the air out. Isn't it smart? Go, mommy. We're still one fourth done.
We're gonna hide this.
I'm gonna follow you. We're gonna follow you. What's that book?
Bigay ko ba ito?
Wag. Let me see. No.
Yan.
Sira aabutin yan.
Hindi pa yun. Mga isang linggo pa yan.
Wow. Wow.
Prize for you!
Yay! Hug, hug,
Hug!
where's hug? Hug, hug.
You want this? Say please!
Please.
May baso lang tayo.
Yeah, there. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I.
Hi guys! So, update. Wala na yung swimming pool / ball pit. So, we are just rearranging things and cleaning up this mess. It's still messy though, but we're going there. Baby steps. Okay. Hi guys! So ayan, update. Medyo luminis na siya. Shan! We put all of Sam's toys in a certain area para dyan lang siya magkakalat. Hopefully. And then we put our things over there, like the TV and such things. And I hope we can maintain this. But knowing this boy, it's kind of impossible. So, at least sana maabutan to ng ama niyang malinis para naman hindi kami mapagalitan. Ano? Okay.
The next day.
Hi guys! So, for today's video is, I'll just insert this clip. I have a shift today and isang oras na lang and I'm almost done. Nasa CR ako ngayon kasi I have to re-clean. Okay? Maglilinis ako ulit. Nalinis na to kanina. But someone made a mess. Like, if you can see those muds, they live muds in the washroom, so I have to re-clean it. But I have to take this first because I'm also handling drive-thru. So, one moment.
Probably get the 6-piece feast.
6-piece feast.
Yeah.
We have a special promo going on. It's called the Butters Box. It's for $21.99, but in there you will get 6 pieces of chicken, medium taters, medium gravy, and 2 biscuits already. So,
Yeah,
would you like that
yeah,
instead?
that's better.
Sure. Do you want your chicken regular, spicy, or honey barbecue?
Regular. And can I get them all dark?
If you want all dark, we'll do charge extra. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
It's $3.75 for it.
Yep, that's fine.
Can I? Anything else you'd like to add?
I know, I'm like looking.
Probably desserts or something.
Do you have like coleslaw?
We do have coleslaw. We have small, medium, and large.
Medium.
Medium coleslaw, sure. Is that all? $34.73.
Yes, 7.
Sure. Hi guys! So, update lang. Today is Friday again. So, ayan, kahapon diba pumasok ako, nakita niyo naman. And now, since our day off, we are cooking chop suey. And may mga iba pa tayong i-cook. And meron ako gusto i-share sa inyo. Like, it's so galing. Look what is Sabs doing. She's using magic eraser.
Hi, Pa.
Look. Yeah. I know. Let them see na natatanggal. Like the before. Wow. Ayan mo. Kasi, puro sulat na ni Sam. So, ibawash ni ate sa buong bahay to erase all the sulat. Like, kita nyo ba yan? Yeah.
I don't get paid enough for this.
Ayan o. Meron pa yan dito. Yan.
I don't get
And here, because Zam is in the stage na gusto niya mag-scribble. So, he's scribbling everywhere. So, mamaya we will update you sa ginagawa ni Ate Sal sa walang sipag niya. Like, you can't ask for more. She's the best daughter in the world. Okay? I'll update you guys later. Hi guys! So, naglalakad kami ngayon pupunta sa park.
Sa trailer.
Nang nakapang
Bahay.
tulog / pang bahay.
And
Malapit lang yung park dito. Siguro mga 5 streets, 5 or 7 streets away from our house.
yeah.
So, lalabas, ilalakad natin at ilalaro si Sam kasi init na siya sa buhay niya. Hindi na namin siya mapakiusapang mag-behave. So, papagudin muna natin siya. Hayaan natin siya mag-slide, laro at takbo-takbo sa park. So, mamaya makikita niyo yung park.
Yeah. Bye.
Hi guys! So, ayan, malapit na tayo sa park. Hindi ko siya ma-rotate eh. Para ito, pakita ko sa inyo. There. So, we'll just walk straight dyan sa trail. Meron dyang kids park and also pag umiikot ka dyan, para siyang forest na pwede ka mag-walk, yung iba nagbabike, nagja-jog. Meron ding skate, ano ba tawag dyan? Skate something. Skate park, I don't know.
Skate.
Basta may mga nag-skating something dyan or skateboarding and something whatever. So, pupunta tayo doon para makita nyo. Medyo may topak talaga si Sam pero okay lang. We'll just go with the flow. Okay. Pakita ko sa inyo.
Why are you showing us? You all say hi.
Hi! Ah. May red eye si Sam kasi kanina meron siyang ginawang kalokohan. Nagluluto kami ni Sab, then nananahimik siya sa baba. Eh sabi nga nila pag nananahimik ang bata, meron siyang ginagawa. Tapos umakit na lang siya sa amin, nagulat kami puno na siya ng sabon. So, yung isang galong sabon namin sa laundry is tinapon niya sa sarili niya. So, naglinis kami ni Sam kanina ng basement. Dinakot namin and everything. Anyways, ayan, kawawa naman siya, yung eyes niya red. And siguro mahapdi pa talaga. Pero, it's okay. Look, sisilaw siya. Pero, I bet he'll be happy kapag nakita niya na yung park because that is his favorite
thing to do.
Hi, Sam! Come, let's walk. You want to walk? You don't want to walk? Okay. I'll update you again later. Walk lang kami. Yun na siya, guys. That's the park. Are you excited, love? Come na. Oh. Let's go to the park. There.
Very malamlam.
Yeah, sobrang sakit pa ng eyes niya. So, hopefully maging okay na. So, ayan siya, guys. It's the trail.
Short hill.
Sobrang ganda dito pag fall. Kasi, mag-orange na yan. Mga puno-puno and whatever. Mas mag-skating. Ayan. Go, Sam. You want to play? You want to play at the park? Ayan siya, guys. Happy na siya.
All I can see is you. Can you push this? Hi, Zam. Kailan pa? Where are you going? Slide! Come here! Slide!
One side. There.
Yay!
No, no, no. Yo, my eye is burning.
So hot.
Look at this girl. And look at me, mom.
Oh, I thought it was you.
So we're going home na kasi it's almost 8 and kailangan namin mag-prepare ng baon ni Papa. Pero kailangan kong mag-prepare kasi may pasok pa siya later. So uwi na kami and I'll update you guys later. Okay? Bye! Hello guys! So dito ko na i-end yung vlog kasi tulog na yung mga alaga ko. So kailangan ko na din matulog kasi may pasok pa ako ulit bukas. So I see you next time on my next vlog. Sana agad-agad meron, but yeah, I'll try to. Have a good night!